The intersection at the student parking area in front of the Electrical Faculty UiTM Shah Alam has been identified as a high-risk area due to issues like speeding, poor road alignment, faded markings, lack of signage and low lighting. As intersections are often busy and dangerous spots, these road safety audits aim to inspect the current conditions and identify the safety problems. By assessing road design, traffic control, driver behavior and the environment, the audit will suggest improvements to make the area safer and support UiTM's goal of a safer campus for everyone.
Next, we will walk you through the identified issue. First, speeding. As we observe, most vehicles are driving an average speed of over 30 km per hour in this area. This can be concerning, especially when considering the area has active pedestrian movement as the college building is across the parking lot. Next, for the road alignment, the road approaching the intersection has a gentle curve and slope, which can unintentionally encourage the driver to speed or maybe maintain their speed, especially during the low traffic. This curve alignment also reduces sight distance, making it harder for driver to spot pedestrian or oncoming vehicle or stop traffic ahead, especially during peak hour or high traffic volume. Now, let's look at the issue posed by poorly placed pedestrian crossing. As the crossing is not aligned with where the pedestrian want to cross, many pedestrians are likely to jaywalk across the road at unmarked location or randomly. And additionally, the current crossing may require extra walking, making it inconvenience, especially for students or staff trying to reach the nearby building quickly.
Thank you, Atika. Now, let's dive into the issue of uneven covers on our roads. First, consider the surface irregularity caused by drainage covers. These are often found in braking or turning zone, like at the junction entrance. When these covers aren't flush with the surrounding asphalt, they can create uneven surface. Now, imagine impact on the vehicle, especially motorcycle and bicycle. This uneven surface can destabilize them, increasing the risk of accident. Next, let's talk about potential damage. Even a slight vertical displacement or derotation around this cover can cause jolting or tire damage. This in return can affect vehicle control, which is crucial for safe driving. Ensuring road surface are even isn't just about comfort, it's a vital safety measure. It's important to address this issue to maintain safe and navigable roads for everyone. Now, let's talk about street lighting, a crucial aspect of road safety that often goes unnoticed until it's missing. We are focusing on an issue that might seem small but has significant implications, such as inadequate or multi-functioning street lighting. At the entrance of our junction, there's currently a lamppost that isn't working. That might not seem critical during the day, but at night it's a different story. Proper lighting is essential. It helps driver to see lane markings, pedestrian, and other vehicles clearly. Without it, visibility is significantly reduced, especially in high-risk areas like junction. We recommend an immediate repair or replacement of the faulty lamppost. This simple action could dramatically improve visibility, reducing likelihood of accident involving vehicle, pedestrian, and cyclists. By addressing this issue promptly, we're not just restoring light, but we're also enhancing safety for everyone.
One common but serious road safety issue is worn or faded road markings and unclear sign. Visual aids like lane lines, warning sign, and reflective paint guide drivers and help prevent accidents. When signs are blocked or faded or misplaced, driver can miss important warnings or react too late, and this get worse at night or in bad weather. Take speed reducing yellow bars, for example. This marking remind drivers to slow down, especially near crossing or busy areas. But when they fade, they lose their purpose. In low light, driver might not see them and speed through dangerous spot. That's why it's important to keep road marking clear and visible. Good maintenance, save life. Let's all support better road upkeep for everyone's safety.
My name is Farha Umira and I am going to explain the experiments and observation that we perform at the selected area, which is T junction in front of College Melati's parking area. There are two main studies, which are spot speed study and junction capacity. For spot speed study, the objectives are to establish the speed distribution of a traffic stream at specific area and to determine the vehicle speed. We use radar gun in this experiment, which use double radar technology to detect the speed of moving vehicles. The procedures are we need to choose a safe location with a clear view of oncoming traffic. Next, radar gun was aimed towards approaching vehicles at an angle, and observing is continued for 1 hour. In the spot speed study was done to check if vehicles are following the speed limit or not. Since we recorded cars going as fast as 48 km per hour in a 30 km per hour zone, this means some drivers are speeding, and that's a safety concern for the area. The second part of our experiment involved a junction capacity study. The main objective are to determine the capacity of the junction and to identify the level of services of the junction. To carry out this observation, we selected 3 junctions near the study area. During peak hour, we manually recorded the number of the vehicles entering and exiting the junction using a tally sheet. We count vehicles every 5 minutes interval for 1 hour duration. Well, this is the tally sheet that we use to count vehicles at every junction. And the collected data was then entered into a Sidra intersection software, which helped us analyze the performance of each junction. Based on the results, we found that all 3 junctions operated at level of service A, which is the junction are functioning well with very low delays and smooth traffic flow. Next, the result from Sidra come out with the total capacity movement and also travel speed of the vehicles. And the last one is the summary of the movement vehicles at the T-junction at College Melati parking area.
Moving on to the mitigation measures to enhance road safety within the campus area of UiTM Shah Alam. These measures aim to reduce accident, improve traffic flow and ensure the safety of all road users including students, staff and visitors. First and foremost, one of the primary concerns on campus road is vehicle speeding, especially near pedestrian zones and academic buildings. To address this, we propose the installation of speed calming devices such as speed humps and rumble strips. These devices are effective in reducing vehicle speeds and increasing driver alertness, especially in high foot traffic area. These rumble strips will be marked using thermoplastic paint in bright or orange or yellow to provide a high visibility and alert drivers to slow down as they approach pedestrian crossings or intersections. Secondly, to further support driver awareness and decision making, we propose the installation of high reflective warning signage. For example, stop signs will be placed at key intersections and junctions to ensure drivers make a complete stop before proceeding. This to reduce the risk of collisions and give driver time to access traffic conditions safely. Additionally, the curve warning sign will be installed at roads with significant bends. These signs featuring arrows that indicate the sharpness of the curve help driver anticipate changes in direction and adjust their speed accordingly. All signage will be made with high reflectivity materials to ensure maximum visibility during nighttime and poor weather conditions. Next, we have maintenance of road markings and pedestrian crossings. Consistent and clear road markings play a vital role in road safety. We propose routine maintenance and repainting of essential markings, including lane arrows, pedestrian crossings, yellow box junction, and lane dividers. These markings must remain clear and visible to guide drivers and protect pedestrians right of way, especially during peak campus hours. Next, we have road surface maintenance, especially around manholes. Poor road surface conditions are a major safety risk. Manhole covers often become loose, corroded, or uneven, leading to hazards for both drivers and pedestrians. Regular inspection, sealing, and proper installation of manholes are necessary to maintain their structural integrity and to avoid underground utility damage. As for that, for poor road surface, we will be proposing repairing of potholes, surface cracks, and rutting to ensure a smooth and safe driving surface throughout campus roads. Lastly, we recommend on the installation of road studs, also known as cat's eye. These devices improve lane visibility, especially at night or in adverse weather conditions. It can reflect the light back to drivers by helping them to stay within their lanes and navigate curves more safely. In conclusion, these proposed road safety measures, from speeding calming devices to signage, road marking, safe surface maintenance, and visual aids, are all designed with one goal, which is to enhance safety and comfort of all road users within UiTM Shah Alam. By implementing these initiatives, we can create a safer, more efficient, and pedestrian-friendly environment on campus. So that's all from us. Thank you.